Welcome to today's MachiningCloud video of My Materials in My Workshop. In the next couple of minutes, we'll break down the technical aspects of how this feature can revolutionize your workshop's material selection process. Let's get going. In the world of machining, the right choice of materials can make all the difference. That's where MachiningCloud's My Materials comes into play. Select My Workshop, My Materials, then New Material. You can choose from a wide range of standard materials from all the manufacturers that MachiningCloud carries. You can also create your own material, edit a standard manufacturer's material using MachiningCloud's classification wizard, or select a previously produced or shared material. You can define the material properties, hardness, cutting stiffness, and process damping wavelength, and store them for easy access. Your material can then be used for searching for the appropriate tooling based on the material you have created. When it's time to choose a material for a project, My Materials streamlines the process. So, whether it's about achieving greater durability, higher precision, or enhanced efficiency, My Materials in MachiningCloud gives you the control you need. Precision, productivity, and informed choices, that's the power of My Materials in MachiningCloud.